Depression is the #1 cause for disabilities worldwide. For example, in the US, 10% of the citizens struggle with depression. But since depression is a mental illness, it's not so easy to understand to say, like for example, the flu. One major cause of confusion is the difference between feeling depressed and having a depression. Because each and everyone feels depressed from time to time. For example, if you get a bad grade, if you lose your job, maybe if you get into an argument, or even a rainy day can make you feel low. Also, it can happen because of no reason at all. It just triggers from inside you and comes straight out of the blue. Then some circumstances change and you feel good again. With clinical depression, this is different. It's a mental illness. It won't go away just because you want it to. It will stay for at least 2 consecutive weeks and severely interferes with your ability to work, to play, or to love. There are many different symptoms for depression. For example, a change of appetite, too less or too much sleep, changes in your ability to have sex and your sex life. Even if you cannot enjoy things you first enjoyed, and many other symptoms. If you have at least 5 of those symptoms, according to psychiatric guidelines, you qualify for the diagnosis of depression. When it comes to the cause of depression, like why it's happening, scientists are still unclear about the field. It's probably because of an interplay between genes and environment. According to studies, it takes an average person who suffers from depression about 10 years to seek for help. However, there are very good treatments to support and assist people who are struggling from depression. Medication and therapy go hand in hand to support on an individual level. So if you know somebody who is maybe suffering from depression, ask them gently to maybe seek out some of these options. If they're struggling with those first steps, because when you have depression, those first steps are most of the time the hardest. Maybe you can help them with looking up for therapists around the area, or even writing a list of questions you can ask the therapist. If you're also interested, you can also visit our website. There you can always reach out to us, Star of New Generation 1, to reach out for help. We can try to assist and support you in an individual way. We are trying to support people from all around the world, so we can bring them back to their life and bring them back to their abilities to be a good person and work as they want to work. So feel free to reach out, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are uploading lots of videos each time. So thank you for watching.